everyone. As you can see, we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. We've gone through a little bit of a drought with some of the Black Series figures. We got a bunch in just after Christmas, so I'm excited here to take a closer look at all the new figures that just recently dropped, or at least they dropped for me. All of these were pre-orders for me. So what we're going to do today, though, is we're going to take a closer look at Darth Revan. I'm so excited that Hasbro decided to re-release him in the archive line. What we're going to do today is take a look at the back of the card back here, and then we'll go ahead and unbox Revan here and take a look at his articulation, come back, take some pictures, as we always do, and talk about maybe some things that I learned. Sometimes I learn something that I like, sometimes I find something that I really don't like, and other times it's the figure that I thought it was. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at Darth Revan. So looking at the back here, we've got, cool little drawing here of Revan there, and it says on the back, the enigmatic former hero of the Jedi Civil War, Darth Revan, continued to play a pivotal role in the ongoing war between the Sith Empire and the Galactic Republic. And as you can see, basically this is part of Star Wars Legends that takes place between 1991 and 2021. That doesn't seem right. It doesn't go that long. I don't know. Anyways, what we're going to do is take a closer look at this figure. If you have any questions about the figure or anything like that, make sure to ask down below. If you don't already subscribe to the channel and you are interested in Star Wars The Black Series, I definitely recommend you subscribing. That was ugly. We do a lot of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. Definitely Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series. So, yeah. Sweet. All right. The hilt on this one is definitely cool. It's not too shabby either. Really excited about this figure. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I will be right back. All right. So what we're going to do first here is we'll take a look at the sabers here. Hopefully we can get a good look here. Like I said, the hilt on this is actually really cool. I don't know if I've seen a Black Series hilt that's like this. If you have, definitely leave a comment downstairs there. Yeah, I mean, and this one, it's pretty cool. It looks like one I've seen before. Unfortunately, none of them have the hooks on them, so Revan will be holding these on the shelf, which isn't a bad thing necessarily. It's just typically I like it when the Black Series figures come with lightsabers that they have some sort of way to hold them without actually holding them. All right, so taking a closer look here, it looks like the cowl or the hood here is attached, so you're not going to be taking that off. You can get a little bit of movement here with Revan, but not a lot. As far as the head movement. So what you see is what you get. Arms, however, they are going all the way up, which is pretty good. It's a good looking figure. I'm really glad they decided to re-release them. No movement at the shoulder, elbow, that's where we're gonna get our full 360. We're gonna get almost a 90 here. Maybe it is a 90 at the elbow. Wrists, this is gonna give us a left-right. It's a little loose. And then up, down on this guy, and elbow, about the same, maybe a little bit better than the other. I do like the torso movement. You're gonna get as much movement as you really want. You've got some okay movement here. And then I like the soft goods. I usually don't like soft goods on the Black Series figures, but this is the right soft good to use for them. I mean, this is actually really good. And you've got different textures. This is, I don't even know what kind of material it is. This is typically the kind of material that they use with the Black Series. And this one is more of like a linen-ish, which I think is really good. So as far as the leg is concerned, interesting. So you've got a lower torso and an upper torso. What? No. Yeah, I guess that's true. That is really weird. It's like we've got two different torso movements. I don't know why. but that is what we've got. So we've got really good movement there. We've got typical movement at the thigh, and it is a double knee, as you can see here. All right. Okay, so that's our initial look. I mean, I think we're going to be able to get some really good stylized looks here with Revan. What we'll do first is take some pictures, and then we'll go ahead and come back, talk about maybe some things that I've learned or whatnot. If you have any questions while we're going through this, make sure to ask down below. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. I think this is an awesome figure. He's going to look great on the shelf. My only complaints really are the fact that the joints seem to be really loose, like looser than normal. But overall, he's an awesome looking figure. It would be nice if the hood could come off, but I understand why they didn't. I mean, most of the time you're going to leave it on, so it doesn't really matter. And I like the detail that they used here on the belt. That's super awesome. This is a great looking figure. He's going to look great on the shelf. If you leave him in the box, he'll still look good, but with the archive line, I highly recommend taking him out. I mean, the archive line boxes, they're not, I don't know if they're keepsakes or not, not like the main line. Yeah, I mean, I'd pick them up. I'll leave a link to the Amazon download, not download, what am I saying? A link to purchase on Amazon. I ended up getting them on GameStop just because sometimes GameStop gets things before Amazon. It's hit and miss. I don't know. I'm at the point now where I almost order from both and then cancel from whichever one gets it to me faster. I don't know if that's wrong or right or whatever, but that's what I've been doing. Anyways, if you have any questions about the figure, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series. And like I said, have a whole bunch of figures that just dropped, so probably the next one or two videos on the channel will be Black Series figures, but we do other things on the channel as well that a professional geek might find interesting, like home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, some other local Orlando, Florida type stuff. If any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.